Welcome to another Tiny Tuesday. I'm Christy here at My Artful Adventures. Today we've got a fun little project that won't take us very long, and it's going to really be a tiny Tuesday project. So I'm just going to show you real quick. We've got these little things here that are going to be little signs, and you know how I love little villages and things like that. And I've made a printable that you can just cut apart and make your own little signs. And these are kind of reminiscent of our village things that we have been doing. I've got one of these for you that you can print off for free and make your own little tiny signs. And let me show you how to do it. Excuse me. All you're going to do is I've got some cut out already, so this is going to be quick. I can show you really fast how we're going to do this today. All you have to do is cut them out and then fold them in half. And I've made them so they're not specifically signs for our little buildings, okay? So you're just going to take it and fold it in half and then just slide it on the paper clip. Either way, you're going to put it on this long edge right here. So just slide it in here and put it on and fold it in half, just like that. And then just add a little bit of your choice of glue or adhesive, so whatever you want to use. And I'm just going to do it real quick and put a little bit of glue stick on here. I should have put something under it, but I just want you to have the idea. You can do yours however you want. Use whatever kind of glue you want. Just even it up. And if you want to ink the edges a little bit, you can do that too. But now, no matter which way we put it on our page, it's going to, face the right direction. So again, just cut it out, fold it in half. Make sure that it's even, stick it through that bottom. You want the part that goes all the way across, because one part of your paper clip doesn't go all the way across the full length of the paper clip, and that's the one you want. Whoops, you got to do it right. There we go. So you just want to put it in there like that, so it hangs like that, and it'll go both ways. So we've got a whole variety of little shapes that are on there, and I've made them all about the same size, so that way they're big enough to see and they can have a little bit of decoration on them. But you could do something like this for any any length. And if you wanted to make them like tall and narrow, that would be fun too. You could make them shorter, and who knows, we might find some more village signs coming down the road. Who knows? You never know. So I'll just show another one real quick. So look how fun that is. Isn't that quick? And then you've got your own little sign to hang up. So I just made these that are a lot more generic. It would be fun to put them in with, make specific little village signs with some of our little buildings. And I may end up doing that, but let me show you here. So if you've got a book or a journal or whatever you want to use, all you have to do is just stick it on right here. And so then I can put it that way and use it there. If I want to use this specific one and I want it on the other side of the page, I just have to slide it on the other way. Maybe. It'll work. I know it's going to work. Just take me an instant. So you can use it on each, either side of the page that works for you, whichever side you want to do. And so you can just make a whole bunch of these and have them ready. You can use them in your books or journals or on your calendar, whatever you want to do. And I think that would be so much fun. So just pop down the link to get one of these is in the description below. And they're absolutely no cost for you to grab and use. And these paper clips, I've designed them to work with a paper clip that's it's not even quite 2 inches wide right there. So that's how big those are. And if you wanted them for smaller paper clips, all you would have to do is print this out at a little bit of a reduced percentage on your printer. And that would work too, you guys. That would be fun. So you guys, I hope that you've liked this idea. If you have, I hope you'll give me a like and a follow so you'll know when we have something ready another time. Thanks for joining me here for Tiny Tuesday. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.